here we go. This is what we got in northeastern Pennsylvania. We have a customer that got 4 side tap tanks from probably before 1950. We came here for a prime and start on this piece of equipment. My technician noticed the burn mark there. Everything here is very old, very rusty, very old home. As you can tell, they had a problem getting the old Bethlehem Dynatherm out, and I don't think they care much about their AC either. So yeah, this is what we got out here in northeast Pennsylvania. So and look at the old electricity. Glass breaker protector, and you know, the old storage tank, galvanized. I bet you that thing's still full of water. But yep, look at how the flue pipe is. And goes up. Whoever cleaned it would just dump the soot in the basement. So yeah, gotta love it. Bob Vila was right. This old house. But yeah, these are the money makers. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any feedback or what.